Getting late for work? Who has not been there?
Now you can enjoy instant breakfast on the go with the Taste Company Oats Upma breakfast, which is ready in 5 minutes by just adding hot water. TTC Instant Breakfast to fuel your day. Get 10% off on your orders. Use code TTC10. Visit www.thetastecompany.com.
So, how you come up with this concept and what was the thought process behind the complete thing?
Right. So actually, when I was studying in UK, I was doing my post graduation over there. As you know, double decker is a very common mean of transport over there. People use it for day to day. But for me, it was the first time actually. So I was very excited. I think I was very excited to go on the first floor, and I still remember that I wanted to sit on the first seat of double decker, and I was sipping my coffee. And the experience, that the vehicle was moving, and I was just simply looking at the beautiful roads out there and having my coffee. I think something which is like I can't explain actually. So being an FMB enthusiast, I also wanted to do something unique, And so when I came back Delhi, I'm like, why not we combine both a double decker and a dining experience and provide the same experience to to all the people who still hasn't had that experience of a double decker dining. So this is how after 2 years of brainstorming and execution, we finally come up with our first outlet, Foodos of India.
Oh, nice. And as far as I know, you are going to come up with 6 more other outlets in Delhi.
In fact, seven.
7 more. Nice.
Yeah, so we are expanding aggressively. So I think before Diwali, we're coming up with 2 more locations, one in North. I think we are expanding pretty aggressively. By the end of the Diwali, we're coming up with 2 more outlets. One towards the South Delhi and one in North Delhi itself. And by the year end, we're coming up with 4 more outlets, I think, and Delhi. So hopefully our target is to make this a pan-Delhi brand by the year end, and eventually take this to the pan-India, in fact, to all the metropolitan cities, so that people can enjoy the double-decker dining and they can use it as a workstation, or you chill with your friends, family. So, yeah.
Very nice concept. Actually, what's the theme behind that? कि आप लोग metro station के भी बगल में इसको plan करने का?
Absolutely. So the reason why हमने metro क्यों चुना is because it's a very centralized and easily accessible to every people. So that अगर आप देखोगे पहला आउटलेट हमारा राइट द प्लेस है, which is a centralized part of Delhi. यहाँ पे आपका कॉर्पोरेट्स भी है, आपके स्टूडेंट्स भी है, हॉस्पिटल भी है, and plus of course मेट्रो की एक्सेसिव तो है. So that हमारा था कि ये ब्रांड इतना मास ही ब्रांड है. यहाँ पे आपको जो आप APC देखोगे, like average price ticket is very reasonable, and जो हमारा वहाँ की स्ट्रीट फूड जो हमें पहुँचाना है, तो it should be accessible, handy, trendy, and something new is our motto, so that people can grab while going to the office. You don't have to think about the hygiene at all for the street food. So that they can come to FPI, and before going to work, they can just grab something from like a tea, coffee, something like that, or a roll or something like that, and just go towards their work. So that's why it's very important कि हम अपना outlet बड़ी एक accessible location रखें, so that people they don't have to think too much कि they don't have to make efforts of going, especially with them. हम आपके पास आ गए हैं. So it's actually like a meal on wheels, you can say that.
So how are you experiencing the thing? Like it's been so long? 1 month for this?
No, it's been like almost 1.5 weeks.
1.5 weeks.
So we opened around 18 September, sorry, in fact. And it's going good actually, just like we expected. In fact, more than we expected, because if you see, earlier people were in dilemma whether it's a food truck hai or food bus hai. They weren't expecting it's a proper casual dining 40-seater restaurant and double decker. So earlier they were pretty curious to know what is the bus, एक दूसरा bus कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, दिल्ली में कहाँ से आई है. And then eventually they got to know through social media, through thanks to you guys, it's a proper double decker dining restaurant in a form of double decker bus, so that they can experience the meal, they can experience the metro going. And I think the best part is that even a single individual can also enjoy the meal very happily with their own laptop. That's why if you see, we have placed a charging station under each table, so that they have that comfort of workstation as well. and plus we can give them a really hygienic and a very, I can say, yummy taste of India. So that's the motto of Food of India.
So I just gone through your menu and it is quite a bit limited, but I liked it a lot because जितना limited है उतना लोगों को choose करने में easy होता है and they can actually enjoy the food and you know
Right.
जितने ज़्यादा options होते हैं ना उतनी confusion होती है. There are lesser options, but the food is good. That's it.
हमारा एम ऐसे ही था कि चाहे हम कम आइटम्स भी दें बट शुड बी टॉप नॉच क्वालिटी, यू नो, हमें कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करना कि तो अगर आप देखोगे खाना हमारा ऐसा है कि पीपल डोंट हैव टू थिंक कि यू नो वेदर वी शुड गो फॉर दिस और नॉट. इट्स अ वेरी एज आई सेड अ वेरी मासी फूड, यू नो, लुक चाहे विदेशी हो बट खाना हमारा
It's
perfect
like simple with beauty.
सिंपल ब्यूटी एब्सोल्युटली. एंड प्लस अगर मैं टेक्निकल रीजन में जाऊँ क्यों हमने लिमिटेड आइटम लिया है, बिकॉज हमारे आप कोई भी आउटलेट में देयर इज नो फायर एंड एज यू नो फायर इज द मेन ingredient, I will say, of cooking, of course. तो हमारा टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट है ना, शेफ है, वर्क कि कैसे हमारे बेसिक चीज़ कैसे यहाँ पे खाना आए, हम कैसे उसको बनाएं, किस SOP में बनाएं, you know, in a very high. That's why we think we come up with the limited items, but we should provide the top-notch items to them.
So
Quality over quality, in fact. So, yeah.
nice talking to you.
Same.
And let's enjoy our meal. My meal is waiting there.
Absolutely, why not?